Most people get this wrong when using an Ibotta referral code. They sign up, enter the code at the wrong time, or skip a required step, and then wonder why they never received their referral bonus. Here's the truth no one tells you. Using an Ibotta referral code is usually simple, but the bonus often depends on meeting certain requirements after creating your account. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use an Ibotta referral code in 2026, where to enter it, how referral rewards typically work, and the most common mistakes that prevent users from receiving their bonus. Let's get started. If you're new to Ibotta, the referral code is usually entered during the account creation process, or through a referral link provided by another user. When signing up, carefully follow the instructions shown on the screen, and make sure the referral code is entered correctly if a manual entry field is available. After creating your account, double-check that the referral information was accepted. Some users rush through the sign-up process and accidentally miss this step. Now here's where it gets interesting. Entering the referral code is often only the first part. Many referral promotions require new users to complete additional qualifying activities before any referral reward is granted. For example, Alex signs up using a referral code and expects an instant reward. However, the promotion requires him to complete a qualifying purchase and earn cashback first. Once he finishes the required steps, the referral reward becomes eligible, according to the promotion's terms. But here's the problem. Many users never read the referral requirements. This is where most people fail. Referral bonuses can vary over time. Some promotions may require a qualifying purchase, while others may have different eligibility conditions. Always review the current referral details displayed inside the app during sign-up. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to avoid referral-related issues. After joining, keep track of your account activity and cashback history. If you've completed all required steps, allow time for the referral reward to be processed. Referral bonuses are not always credited instantly. John completed a qualifying purchase and immediately checked for his reward. A short time later, after the transaction was processed, the referral bonus appeared in his account. Now here's where it gets even more important. Make sure you're creating a genuine new account if the referral program requires new users. Attempting to create duplicate accounts or bypass program requirements can result in rewards not being granted and may violate platform policies. The easiest way to avoid problems is simple. Follow the referral instructions carefully, complete all required qualifying actions, and review the promotion details before expecting a reward. Let's quickly recap. Enter the referral code during sign-up if required, confirm it was accepted, complete any qualifying activities, review the promotion terms, and allow time for processing. That's exactly how to use an Ibotta referral code in 2026. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more cashback app tutorials, and let us know in the comments whether you've used a referral code successfully on Ibotta.